Hey everybody, good morning, it's Robb Moffett. Guys, it's a great day in America. You know, every 4th of July, Veterans Day, Memorial Day, you might want to fly a flag. But if you live someplace, an apartment with a balcony, a lot of places don't let you put up a permanent flag mount, or you don't have a place you can put a mount. Here's how to make an inexpensive, quick, do-it-yourself, permanent or temporary mount for a flag you can fly off your balcony. Made out of 3/4 inch PVC. It's pretty straightforward. I'm going to show you the video now, and if you have any questions, you can leave me a question and I'll answer it down below. Also, we'll have some more information in the video description. I used some stainless steel zip ties to attach it. If you can't find them locally, I'll leave a link for them on Amazon where you can purchase them. Hope you like this little video, guys, and happy 4th of July, Veterans Day, or hope you're having a Memorial Day that is meaningful to you. All right, guys, take care. See you out there.